Welcome to our channel. In this video, we present a detailed summary of Think Yourself Rich by Joseph Murphy, a timeless guide to harnessing the power of your subconscious mind to attract wealth, success, and prosperity. The book explores how your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality and provides practical steps to align your mind with abundance. If you're ready to discover how your mind can be the key to financial success, make sure to watch the full summary and subscribe for more insightful book summaries on wealth, personal development, and success. Chapter 1: The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Joseph Murphy begins by explaining that your mind is the key to unlocking wealth. According to him, your subconscious mind is like a magnet, attracting whatever you consistently think about. Whether it's positive or negative, your dominant thoughts influence your reality. Murphy highlights that many people unknowingly block their own success by focusing on lack and limitation. To start thinking yourself rich, Murphy suggests: replace thoughts of poverty and scarcity with thoughts of wealth and abundance. Visualize yourself as already successful and prosperous. Affirm positive financial beliefs to reprogram your subconscious mind. Key takeaways. Your thoughts create your financial reality. The subconscious mind attracts wealth when it is aligned with positive beliefs. To attract riches, you must eliminate limiting beliefs about money. Chapter 2: How Beliefs Shape Your Financial Future. In this chapter, Murphy delves deeper into the idea that beliefs are the foundation of wealth. If you believe that money is scarce or that you don't deserve wealth, you will subconsciously create situations that keep you from financial success. Murphy stresses the importance of adopting beliefs that support your wealth-building goals. Action steps. Identify any negative beliefs about money that you may have, e.g., money is the root of all evil. Replace these beliefs with positive affirmations like, I deserve to be wealthy, or money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Constantly reinforce these beliefs through daily meditation or visualization. Key takeaways. Negative beliefs block financial success. Your subconscious must be aligned with wealth-affirming beliefs to attract money. Positive affirmations and visualization can help reshape your financial beliefs. Chapter 3: Visualization and Wealth Attraction. Visualization is one of the key techniques Murphy introduces in the book. By visualizing yourself living in prosperity and abundance, you send powerful signals to your subconscious mind. Murphy advises readers to create a mental image of their desired lifestyle and focus on this image regularly. How to practice visualization. Relax and clear your mind. Picture yourself living in your dream home, driving your dream car, or enjoying financial freedom. Imagine the feelings of joy and satisfaction that come with wealth. Visualize yourself receiving money, paying off debts, or succeeding in business. Murphy emphasizes that the emotional component is essential. Feeling the emotions associated with wealth while visualizing makes the image more powerful and effective. Key takeaways. Visualization helps communicate your desires to your subconscious mind. The emotional aspect of visualization amplifies its impact. Consistent visualization will help attract wealth and financial opportunities. Chapter 4: Overcoming Fear and Doubt. One of the biggest obstacles to wealth, according to Murphy, is fear. Fear of failure, fear of losing money, or fear of not being good enough can sabotage your financial success. Murphy explains that fear originates in the conscious mind, but it can be overcome by reprogramming the subconscious. How to overcome fear. Acknowledge your fears and confront them. Use positive affirmations to counteract fear, e.g., I am confident in my ability to succeed. Repeatedly tell your subconscious mind that wealth is within your reach. Trust that the universe is working in your favor to bring wealth into your life. By continually feeding your subconscious with positive thoughts, Murphy argues that fear will gradually fade, leaving room for confidence and financial success. Key takeaways. Fear and doubt are the biggest barriers to wealth. Positive affirmations can neutralize fear. Trust in your subconscious mind to lead you toward financial abundance. Chapter 5: setting clear financial goals. Murphy emphasizes the importance of having clear, specific goals when it comes to building wealth. Vague desires for money will lead to vague results, while clear financial goals give your subconscious mind a definite target to aim for. Murphy advises: write down your financial goals in specific terms, e.g., I want to save $50,000 within the next year. Break your goals down into smaller, achievable steps. Visualize and affirm these goals daily to keep them fresh in your mind. Key takeaways. Clear, specific financial goals are necessary for wealth attraction. Written goals help program your subconscious mind with clarity. Achieving small financial steps builds momentum toward larger wealth. Chapter 6: The Law of Abundance. Murphy discusses the law of abundance, which states that there is enough wealth and success available for everyone. According to Murphy, many people fail to achieve wealth because they believe in scarcity, that wealth is limited or that they will take away from others by becoming wealthy. He teaches readers to adopt an abundance mindset by believing the universe is filled with endless opportunities for wealth. There is no competition for abundance, it is available to all who seek it. Wealth grows when it is shared generously, whether through charitable acts or helping others succeed. Key takeaways. Abundance is available to everyone. Scarcity thinking limits your ability to attract wealth. Chapter 7: Taking Inspired Action. While positive thinking and visualization are important, Murphy stresses that action is essential for achieving wealth. Thinking alone won't make you rich, you must take action on the ideas and opportunities that come to you. However, Murphy explains that this should be inspired action, meaning action that feels aligned with your desires and goals. How to take inspired action. Listen to your intuition and act on opportunities that feel right. Stay open to new ideas and opportunities that come your way. Be persistent and take small steps toward your financial goals. Murphy encourages readers to have faith that their subconscious mind will guide them to the right opportunities, and to act on these opportunities without hesitation. Key takeaways. Action is required to manifest wealth. Inspired action comes from listening to your intuition and trusting your subconscious. Persistence and faith are key to achieving your financial goals. Chapter 8: Gratitude and Wealth. Murphy closes the book by explaining the power of gratitude in attracting wealth. When you are grateful for what you have, you signal to your subconscious that you are already abundant, which attracts more abundance. Gratitude raises your vibration and helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life, making you more open to receiving wealth. Practicing gratitude. Make a list of all the things you are grateful for, both big and small. Every day, express thanks for the wealth you already have, even if it seems small. Focus on the positive aspects of your financial life, and more wealth will flow to you. Key takeaways. Gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting more wealth. Focusing on what you have will invite more abundance into your life. A daily practice of gratitude keeps your mind aligned with prosperity. Conclusion. In Think Yourself Rich, Joseph Murphy shows us that the secret to wealth lies within our minds. By controlling our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, we can align our subconscious with prosperity and success. Through visualization, positive affirmations, and inspired action, anyone can think themselves rich and achieve their financial dreams. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more book summaries on wealth, success, and personal development.